go. Okay, so we come back again. So now, so we follow up for this workstation switch, right? So we have a issue now because we're not able to ping from the remote side. So now what's going on? So now this is the same thing again. We maybe this is good also to learn how is like troubleshooting, when we have in the production network. Okay. So by that time, we already confirm, right? Everything that we can ping to this IP address. But now somehow we cannot go ping to here, right? So if we just go back again, for example, here, let me see. Oh, let me how make it layer. Let me move this one up a little bit here, and then go here so you can see better. All right, so now, say for example, if we go back to the, the remote side, okay, this is the switch again. You see, we have the switch here, right? Because we have the gateway, right? The gateway deployed either one, whatever the gateway in here. But then last time we have successful, we already configured the BGP between in here too. So now we have a layer 3 between these two routers. So that is just like we can perform later. I think I'm not sure we did it or not, but we go like we go through it. Okay. So let's focus in here first. One last time that we have an issue here. So now go back to here again. So when we show IP interface here, right? So we show IP interface. Now here you see. So this is the switch on this side, right? So we have a 10.200.1. So in here, so let's for example go to the core switch here. Where is the core switch? Okay, I think I need to cancel it, no? Okay, and then hold on, my daughter testing me. Okay. Okay, so now, so we hit enter again in here. So now, for example, in here, so we show IP interface brief. All right, so now we have the same thing. We should have the VLAN 10 in here, but then just the 10.100, right? So we're going to try from here to ping this IP address. So let's go back to the switch again in here. There's the switch here. So we're going to ping the the headquarter. This switch here. We're going to using the source, right? We're going to using the source 10 dot 200 dot 10 dot 1. Are we able to ping? Beautiful, right? So we have the big. So now we have a go traffic and also we have a return traffic. So now in this case we have no issue, right? Until you do the trace route and then it's taking the traffic is taking the MPLS or is taking the VPLS. But so far we're not focused on the routing first, right? As long as it's working now, okay. So as long as it's working, so from the pings from the reach ability from the reach, the device uh, from here to here. All right. So now we go more further now behind all the network here. Right. So go back again to workstation switch here. Right. So you can hit enter and oh come on. I hate I hate this command here. That is mean this command on the router side. So we have to disable no domain lookup. So when you typo something like that, if you have a enable and they try to resolve it, contact your DNS server, no. But this is not good when you're in the lab, especially in the CCNP or CCIE lab. Normally we have to copy and paste quick, to disable it. So now, because that is a saving your time, because when you're in the lab exam, you have to fight with the time, so you don't want to do this kind of stupid mistake. All right, so we go to complexity. Just for example, this is a command. So no IP domain lookup, uh, something like. Oh, did I type wrong? No IP domain. Yeah. domain lookup. Oh, come on. Are you sure? Did I? Yeah. Domain. Yep. Yep. So we disable it. So that's mean now we don't have a problem now when you type, when you save it again in this command in here. Now when you type something, if the router doesn't know the command, it won't give you. See, for example, I just type like this, right? You see, now instead like looking for the server, so now we disable it. So you have to remember, no IP domain lookup. Okay, so go back to here again. So we show IP interface brief. Do we have any assign? Oh, yeah, we have a couple VLAN. You see, right? So now, because this is make sure what is the this is layer 2 or layer 3, right? Well, we're going to show IP route. Show IP route, right? See, this is here. Now, it sounds like this switch here is still in the layer 3, right? Because this is the command, show IP route. They see, but then we still don't have any routing between this switch to switch here. Unless you want to, if they have support, you want to more like enhance. If you want to have more work to do, you can, if this switch here maybe like lower model like that, the Cisco lower model like 3750 or 3800 or maybe further right now 3900, something like that. I even don't know what is keep up, you know, what is the new model now for the Cisco switch, you know. Right, so for example, if they don't support, they maybe support like OSPF, like ERGRP like that, but then those kind of like IGP, those kind of routing that we not cover in this lab. Yeah, we just focus in the BGP, all the network, everything's working fine. So in this case, so we need to disable it, right? We need to disable it to become a layer 2, right? And then we're going to pick up now what VLAN it should be, go to here, the gateway. And also, for example, right now this is, see, this is F1/1. This is we want to verify what kind of link again in here. So we have to, this is supposed to be a trunk port, right? So we need to find out is show CDP neighbor. Just make sure, right? So we have between the switch 1 and switch 2, and then how we connect it. Now we show IP interface trunk. You see? Oh, show IP or show IP. Oh no, show interface trunk, right? Show interface trunk, right? Yeah, see, we have a trunk port enable between this link. That is mean carry multiple VLAN, right? So normally we have a default one, right? Default one is a VLAN one. So we go back again, show IP interface brief. And normally, do we have a VLAN one in here? Yeah, this is VLAN one. You could be like, normally we not use VLAN one as a default. You can use the VLAN one as a management VLAN. But in this case, can we use this one? As long as this one is up and up, let's try we're using 10 DAC. This is the gateway, but not this gateway. We have to point it responding in here, which relay. So if we go back to the dash switch again in here, so that is the same thing with the 10.2. Okay, so now we go back to workstation switch again. So the gateway, we're going to point it to 10.2, right? So go ahead now in here. We say go config T. We're going to say, first thing we need to disable from layer 2 to layer 2. So remember the command again. So no IP routing. So we're going to disable it. So we're going to turn this layer 3 switch become a layer 2 switch. Okay. So now we're going to be IP default gateway in here. So we're going to say 10 dark 100. We're going to say 10 dark 2 or 102. I forgot again. Let's go back again. Or dark 2. Okay. So we go back. This is a workstation suite. Yeah. So we're going to be dark 2. Okay. We hit enter. So now that's what I'm saying. From everything the network in here, if you don't know, right, or outside whatever this 10 network is trying to help go to the next hub, because this is the layer 3, and then from the layer 3, uh, if any like more routing inside here, right? And then how to go different network, something like that, because this is the layer 3, right? Uh, a little bit still not feeling good today, so I just speak slow, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, and then from here, so we have the gateway already, right? So for example, now how about we so let's even in here, so we can try to ping 8.8.8. So just pretend I want to go out the internet, okay? You see? Yep, beautiful. You see, I can go out the internet. So I mean, we see we have a default route. See, everything going to here, here, and then go out the internet. So this is that is see, once you like this, you feel comfortable. You see, you feel confident. Oh, okay. See, this is good. See, once I put the gateway, see, I can ping 8.8.8, right? So now, okay. So now we go back to the remotes here, right? Where is the remote switch again? Do we try? Yeah, in here we try it again, right? So now we're going to say the ping dark 4, right? So we're going to ping dark 4 now. So let's go back verify again. No, not this one, the workstation switch here. So the workstation switch should be dark 4, okay? So this is a dark 4 now. So we're going to ping from here all the way crossing, right? Our WAN link, and then go to the core switch either one, right? It depends on the routing, and then should be reach this IP here. All right. So now we're going to go back to again to here. So we're going to ping 10 dot here dot 4 source between dot 1. Right. We hit that. Beautiful. You see? Now after we put the gateway here, see it's working fine. Right. So now we have to verify now. Let's how about make sure is that is correct, right? We do the trace route here now. 10 dot what is that again? 100 dot 10 dot 4. We're going to be using the source IP again with this one. Okay, so now we see the path now. Oh, did I spelling wrong? Yeah, trace route. Okay, so now we have to wait a little bit here. So now we're going to say the next hop is we go to here. So once you know your topology, every day that you're working on your topologies, you automatically, because we know this is our primary, right? So we're going to go to MPLS. Okay, and then we just be patient in here. But definitely in the production switch, it's more quicker, it's more faster, the result. But this is just a lab in here. We it might we have some delay because it depends the computer, the resource, to run this TNS3. All right, so now that's perfect in here. As you can see, this is a VPN 10 here. Yep, yep, beautiful in here. Yep, look at that. All right, so now how about we ping back now from the switch here? Are we able to ping this one now? You see? So we just verify from the other side here, right? So we change this one in here. We ping it again in here, right? Beautiful. You see? So now the workstation one now able to ping. Can we ping anything in here or the VLAN? Right? So let's try it now. We test everything in here. 20. Beautiful. And then 30. You see? Yep. And then we go to 40. Beautiful. See? Now we go to 50. Yes. Okay. And then we same thing from here. From the other side, same thing we should be able to ping, right? We should be to ping like say from here. Say okay, I want to ping 20. No, 10. Yeah, 20, right? That is the VLAN 20. Yep. Oh no choice bar. I want to using the ping command. Yeah. Okay. 20. Beautiful. And then how about 30? Yep. And then we go to 40. Okay. We have to be 100% the testing, before we give the traffic everything ready to the users. Yep. So that is mean we already complete testing everything. So now we should be have no issue between in here, right? So since okay, so I think now we finished, right? This lab in here we already complete all the so we already complete all the lab in here, everything from the top, right? From the internet, fell over, and then we have two sites in here. So now we already in same thing in here. The backbone, everything is working fine. And last time also we already fell over between, okay? Everything is working fine in here. So I think maybe uh we're going to create on purpose, right? In the maybe later on, like we pick one lab or two lab, just concentrate the troubleshooting, and then we can try to perform, right? If something this links go down, or this link go down, or this link go down, all right. So maybe I will put randomly just shut down or something or misconfig like that, and then you can try let me know how to check. That's why I want you to increase your troubleshooting skill with me. Okay, so we work together, we troubleshooting together the whole network. So we're going to that is maybe after you day by day you keep refresh, and then all the memorize, all the command, the concept, everything like that. So then when you're ready to challenge, okay, because you need to graduate, right? You're since learning from day one until today. So I want you to have like everything to be ready when they come to something like troubleshooting testing, right? Because that is the same thing. It could be somehow one day it could be in the lab exam, right? Sometimes people they on purpose they're going to maybe they change the IP address, and then same thing like in this case like this they were asking you the question say, why this switch here not able to ping this switch in here? That's why you need the same thing to follow the baby step and how quickly to find the problem, and then to resolve it as soon as possible, something like that. That is rely on day by day. That is like no one can help you on that. That is a day by day that is between that your experience. All right, so that is me and same thing in here. This could be like just a video game, because every day when you manage the whole here, you know what I mean? It's going to be same thing. So that's why I want to show you in let me see if I go to the like my website. I still working on it's not complete yet. Hold on. Let me bring it over. I just give you example. This is the okay here. You see this is the ping router. Uh, I push it here. See. Okay, so this is the big network in the production in the past that when I configured 3 data center between the AWS and Amazon also. All right, so how between we see multiple site and how is all that's kind of stuff in here. Look at that. That is the same thing that your challenge. Okay, I have this is my ping router, pingrouter.com. It's just temporary my 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 working lab in here. I enjoyed, I didn't do much because I don't have much time. That's why maybe because you're the coding too. So one day, maybe, that's what I'm saying. Maybe one day you can help me, to develop it my website. You see, this is my website. That's why I say you're the Java guy. So that's why I just the front end in here, everything, and then I need those kind of API calling the website, those kind of database, log in, those kind of stuff. Okay, so maybe one day you can help me, Okay.
Yeah, I can help you.
Yeah, so that's why we can work together, and then we can try to create a ping router, something for for our for our fun, for our lab. Okay, so we're not bother on that. Let's close this one here for now. All right. Okay, so now we have been challenged now, right? Okay, so now we're still greedy, right, for this company. We still, because I still need show you more. Okay, we're not complete yet, right? Because we just only have a two data center right now in here, right? Now, okay, so now the business ABC, right, is already running now. Okay, it's running the business now. Okay, it's going to be ready. So now the facility, or from the whatever, they come to the IT guy, say, hey, what happened? They say we have now we want to expand our network, our facility, right? They say, okay, we're going to, for example, this ABC is doing something like something business, whatever. Maybe it's a I don't know, it could be one of, maybe a restaurant, whatever. It could be like real estate, or it could be something that just a remote office, something like that. Okay, and then, or maybe it's like banking, financial also. That's why I say maybe ABC just like a financial company. That's why now they want to expand their financial. They want to open the branch, right? It's like banking. We want to open the branch, and then to service some customer, they can come over, right? They can deposit or open the account, business account, something like that. Okay, so now we got the order now, right? We got the order. So they come to the IT guy. Okay, so they talk to our head, whatever, and then they pass it to us, right? Because like say, hey, say, okay, so we have a project now. So we decide now we're going to build, like, have to be like ready for like 2 months, right? Because they already list out, they already signed the contract, everything. They got the facility now. Okay, so now let's just pretend. So we're going to put another one here. Say for example, so we're going to grab another router here, right? So we're going to another router. Okay, so it's a two office, right? So we're going to grab this one here. Okay, so now look at that in here. I said, first thing in here, we change the host name in here, right? We change the host name here. Say this one, same thing using our naming convention, right? So first thing we're going to say US. I think say this, maybe say, go ahead, maybe say this is still in the East Coast. So I say maybe say Maryland. US, Maryland, right? And then maybe I don't know what kind of city, right? In the Maryland, what kind of city? So we don't know yet. We just put XX in here, right? So, but we know in the US country, and then we know the Maryland is the state, and then we don't know yet XX because we don't know what city in maybe Baltimore or something like that. We don't know, right? Or maybe Chesapeake, we don't know. So we just put XSX for temporary right now. So this is the like MPLS. You see, we label one just for example. So now we have it. We have a Maryland office now. Okay, the remote office. Now this one here, same thing. Say okay, we want to host them in here. We change it now. All right, so we're going to expand it now. We're going to Chicago. Okay, maybe it's that we concentrate in the city. Okay, so maybe yeah, maybe this is Baltimore, and then we try to maybe easy for us just go to city. Okay, so this is USIL, right? That is like Illinois, right? And then we're going to be say this is like Chicago. So we're going to put Chicago like this, all right, or something, or CH like that, or CHI, okay? Something like that. So US, right? And then IL, that is the name, the state, and then the city is Chicago. And then we put the MPLS one. You see? So now we expand, right, our network now. So now you see we're going to have a two office in here, right? So we have a two office now, and then we same thing. We ask our whatever the deliver, right? So we ask our manager or our boss, something like that. Say, hey, how we connect this remote office to our network, right? Okay, they say we all the same thing. We all, but in this here, right? We don't have like enough money. Maybe only couple users, something like that. So we don't want to. So far, it's a new office. We don't know what is the marketing over there, what is the business type there. So we don't want too much spend in also in our network equipment, right? So far right now, say okay, we just bring another MPLS VLAN. So okay, so the same thing stay with the Verizon. So now in here, so we're going to bring the WAN link in here. Go to here. This is MPLS here. Oh shoot. Okay, this is only two. Let me see if I can modify. Can we modify this one here? Can you add it? Let me see. I don't want to add more router in here because maybe I run out the resource no, for my local PC. So let's see if I configure. Can we add? How many we can add the slot in here? Oh yeah, we can couple. All right, so we add one more. All right, so two more. Okay, so because we have one, two. Okay, we just keep two example in here for remote office because we don't have to crazy, to build the whole entire in our network. I mean, two remote office would be fine for you for demo. Okay. So now we have a okay. So now we have a two interface in here. Let's go ahead again to bring it to here. Here we go to this one is going. Hmm. What happened? Uh-oh. Something that I need to stop or I need to restart? Is that right? Um, really? Really? Let me see again. I don't want to break our network. See, that's the problem. See, when you run out the now when this router in here, right? Because this is not our control anyway. This is the backbone for MPLS. For example, from if our router here we run out the port, right? So we have to be a reorder. Maybe we have a do we have a like a extra or the support? Another like a port interface. Let me see. Okay, let's try it. Let's try to stop it. All right. So now, oh, since we stop it in here, all right. Now this is good for testing, I see, because right now, because we try to bring this to here, so now because we're still working on the MPL or something like that, because maybe the Verizon said we need a little bit like take the outage in here, right? And then we're going to be restore back. So now it's going to be impact on your networking or network issue, connectivity issue, and like that. And then maybe say we feel confident. We tell Verizon, so go ahead, you shut it down because we have a backup link in here. We should be no issue, right? Let's now. This is a good for us to testing now in here. Look at it. Look at that. Let's go back to the districts again in here. So this is the perfect, So this is another demo for you. We just make sure you see, and we ping again. Ping the 10.100.10.4. Yep, and then from here, right? Okay, just ping. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, maybe we need to using the source IP. Okay, so we're using this. What is the source IP again? If I remember, this is a ping from. Do we have a ping command here? I don't want. Yep, 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 yep. So we copy this one again. Let's try it again. All right, so we copy the same command again in here. Right, so now we're going to ping again in here. Now it's working or not? Ha. Okay, look at that. Now we create another problem. All right. So now before we starting our new project here, look at that. When we stop this MPLS in here, right? So now we create another problem. You see, I thought we are perfect now. It's not. Okay. And then let's do again trace route in here. Okay. So we trace route. 10.100.20.4. Let's see. We're going to use the source in here. 10.200.10.1. So where we go, right? Because we should be still go to here, but this one here we should be lost. We should be lost from the MPLS. We should be go now. The traffic should be go to here, all right, and then should be go back to here like this, right? But let's see. So this is how you troubleshooting in the production. You see, when you challenge about the network, you see, if something go down, all right, because maybe this is the same thing we need deploy, and then we still a lot of things that we need to troubleshooting on it until every single path, single testing, DR test like that. So we have to document it. Okay, so now look at that from yes, it's expect. You see, everything come to here, right? And then go to the VPLS. Beautiful. You see, it's the automatic routing, and then come to here. And then this one it should be crossed here or does it crossed here? It depends. Which one is the short path, right? I think should be go to here unless the spanning tree they block the 1.3, right? If they not block 1.3 from our diagram in here that we know is this switch here, it should be take the shorter path with this link here. All right. Oh, okay. But the trace route is like the trace route is complete. You see, the trace route is complete on this side. That's interesting. Why we not able to ping, right? Because see, we didn't lost we didn't lost packet. We didn't have like something timeout. Because now this is the perfect trace route. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And then arrive this here. But why we cannot ping? You see, okay. We 10 ping again, 10 120.4, right? We just like the trace route, we see, and the ping, right? And we just change the command from trace route to ping. Trace route, everything is perfect. It's showing you all the path in here, you see. But then why, if I ping, it's some issue? Oh, oh, now. Okay, actually it's no issue. That's what I'm saying. So sometimes you have to trust that you are a network, otherwise you have the same thing again, you have to learning again. But maybe in our network here in the GNS3, because we have maybe it's a delay, the router, the BGP routing, because when they update the BGP, because because everything in here say when they lost in here, so and then same thing, this router or this router, they learning this networks be from here, so they're going to be have update those kind of BGP until perfect, right? Because maybe we just not wait long enough. Okay, then say, oh shoo, and then you're going to be sweat, you say, oh my goodness, now I for something issue, and then, now relax. Oh, okay. So that's when you just have to give some time the conversion, the BGP, update the whole that your network, That's why automatic. See, it's a like automatic dynamically update, So you just have to be patient, That's why now you have to count once you lost the mean here. That's what I'm saying. Now you have an idea. You have to have like a document say how long uh, it's going to be restored, right? Could be take like a 3 minute, 10 minute, or 5 minutes, so you get some idea. Okay, so now you're going to reping again. Yeah, it's working. Oh, you say good. My goodness, right? You see, now you can be relaxed again. Everything's okay. Okay, let's go back to the project again. Oh, you say okay. Let's go back to the project again, right? So now since now we here, right? So now can we run the cable now? Okay, so now can we run the cable? At this time, oh, the source port is already occupied by different connection. Why? Oh, did I grab the wrong one? Oh, hold on. So okay, maybe I should start from here. Okay,
Hmm.
so maybe I start from here. F1/0. Don't tell me this already used by the other. Okay, so let me see is happy or not. Oh no, the destination port is already by different. Oh, come on. What is this issue here? because I don't want to restart the whole DNS3, you know. Uh, I think something when we added something like that, they need to ask to restart. I remember, but I don't know if that's really true or not. Do we need to restart the DNS3? You know. Let me see. The destination port is already occupied by different connection. How? All right. If this is the problem or this is the problem? Because this one here, we should have no problem. See? Oh no! Okay. So the problem is in here. Oh, let me see. Or maybe we don't have what's going on here? Let's find out. Okay. Uh, yeah. And then all right. Okay. Don't let me add one more. Okay. Don't complain. All right. I even add more. Add more. All right. No. There's only one, two. Ah, let me try it. All right. Let me try it. So let's see. Add one more. One more. Let's see what happens. So do I have? Oh no, but still. Yes. Oh no, this is four now. I think something wrong this router. Hold on. I'm gonna delete this one. I don't like it. All right. So we're going to start another one. All right. So maybe they have something defective, right? we brand the router defective, open box. Okay. So something, we have to brand something because in the production when they have an issue, they always brand on the network team. Everything is the network team start working. Yep. So you have to be get used to it, when you work in the network engineer, because everything they slow the network, or they time out, or the application is not working. Everything they always blame on the network. Actually, it's not our issue. Sometimes they have a fat finger or something like that. We don't know. Okay, okay. Like that is the funny stuff. All right, let's try it again. No. Oh, what's going on? Yeah. Okay. So that's something stupid. No. Okay. So let me delete this one. Let's go back to here again. So we go to let's see the same thing. We start from here. So let's put this one F1/10. So perfect. Let's put this. Wait a second. The writer unable to add binding. Hmm. So you think this is the issue here? What mean you cannot binding? Uh, yeah. What it mean? Uh, don't tell me I need to delete this one because always something here. How about this one? Oh, this one is working. Ha! I cannot believe it. Oh, so this one is working. This one is the F2. So something wrong with the F1. Let me see. Then which one is not happy then? But I don't have more slot here to add it. Uh, Maybe I should use the switch here. If I want to use what is the 4T? Let me see if I change to 4T. What happened? Well, I don't